Let me show you how to create perspective text effect in Photoshop. The first step is go to File and create a new document. Make the width 5903 pixels. The height 3935. The resolution 300 pixel inch. The color mode RGB color 8-bit. And the background color black. When you're done, click Create. Select the horizontal type tool. Then go to Window and choose the character. I'll make the font Impact. The font style Regular. The font size 150. The vertically scale 160%. And text color white. When you're done, close the character window. Click on your document and type out your text. Go to the Layer panel. Right-click on the text layer and choose the Convert to Smart Object. Select the Move tool. Then position the text. Duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl-J. Then select the layer below it. Press Ctrl-T to select the Free Transform tool. Right-click and choose the Flip Vertical. And drag it down. Right-click inside the Free Transform box and choose the Perspective. Then pull bottom corner outwards. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. Click the FX icon and choose the Gradient Overlay. Then click Reset to Default. Click the Gradient box. Open the Basics preset folder and choose the black and white. Double-click lower right color stop slider. In the color picker, choose 50% gray. Click OK on both windows. Set the scale 100%. Then click OK. And that's it. Hope you liked it.